and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. I've got a really exciting video. It's one I've been wanting to film for a while, but I've never really had the patience to do it until now because I've discovered a new technique of how to do it. So I'm gonna be adding in silver tinsel hair extensions to my hair. So you might have seen a few years ago there were a couple of people creating videos with doing these tinsel hair extensions. However, all of them, when applying them, they would kind of do like a loop knot thing to attach the tinsel hair extension to their hair, and it just looked super fiddly and I just really couldn't be bothered to give it a go. And then I went to a blogger event recently and Kiash Braids were there, who is a hair braiding company and an Instagram account that I follow. They're based in London. They are amazing. They do really sick hairstyles and braiding and stuff. And yeah, we were at this event and they were offering tinsel hair extensions, but with bonds. So you know when you get normal hair extensions, sometimes they use like micro rings or nano bonds. Yeah, so I bought some micro rings off eBay. I bought the pliers, I've bought the nano ring threader, and I've got lots of silver tinsel hair extensions, and I'm going to be showing you how you can apply them to your hair to get a sparkly look. This is going to be perfect for when the festival season come up. And the great thing about this as well is with the micro rings you can actually just leave them in your hair, whereas before when people were doing like little loop knot things with this extensions, they weren't actually really staying in very long. So this way you can have them last for as long as you want, and I'm pretty sure you can wash your hair and style it and everything with them in. I need to double check that though, because I haven't ever applied heat to the tinsel stuff, so I need to see about that. But I will let you know at the end of this video whether it is possible or not, because I will see if I can do a little curl or something. So I'm going to stop chatting now. Let's get this video started. I'm going to show you how to apply one of the tinsel hair extensions with the micro ring, and then I will whiz through the rest of my hair, and fingers crossed it looks fab at the end. So let's get going. So the tools you're going to need is this little micro ring threader, some scissors, the tinsel hair extensions, micro rings, a comb, the pliers, and then some sort of clip or grip to section your hair with. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. Now I want the tinsel hair extensions to be quite visible, so I don't want to go too far underneath. So I'm probably just going to lift up my hair around here. So there's my centre parting, and I'm just going to flick that over to one side like so, and then I'm just going to grab some hair grips because I've got lots of little hairs, just to get them out of the way because they're just annoying. So the first step is we are going to put the micro ring onto the threader, and all you do for that is you pop it over the end and you push it on like so. Then we're going to grab probably 4 strands of the tinsel hair extensions. So once you've got the hair extensions in your fingers, just pop them like this, and then we are going to get our first section. Now you don't need too much hair, just a little bit, and you don't want to start too near the front. So I'm going to start back here and just grab a little section like so. And then I'm going to add in my hair to my fingers that are holding the silver tinsel hair extension. So we've got it like that. Then we're going to take the threader, which has got the micro ring on it. We're going to pop our fingers through the little diamond shape. And then all we're going to do is take this bit of the hair and pull it through. Like so. And then you're going to push the bead up towards the end of the threader and then pull the threader back through the other way. Like so, and then we've got the bead on here like this. So the hair and the tinsel is now through the bead. So now you're going to grab your pliers and you're going to push the micro ring up as far as it can go, but without going over the top of the end of the hair extensions. And you're going to pop the pliers over and you're just going to grip. And there you have it. One little set of Tinsel hair extensions. Then just grab your scissors and snip off the end of the extensions, obviously where the end of your hair is. And that is one lot done. It already looks so cool. Imagine when I've done like 10 across. So I hope that was clear for you. Now I'm going to speed up the video and carry on because it's going to take me a while, I think. It is a little bit fiddly, but once you get the hang of it, it is okay. Sometimes you might need an extra pair of hands, so Robin is right there to help me when I need an extra hand or two. So let's get going. Guys, oh my god, this looks amazing. Oh my god, it's so cool. I feel like I did such a good job. Wow. My hair is sparkly. I have to say, the micro rings were actually really easy to apply. The more I got into it, kind of got into like a little routine of the application by putting the micro ring on the threader first, then getting the hair extensions in place, and yeah, I love it. Super easy to apply. It was a little bit fiddly at first, but I think it's because I'm trying to film something and remember what to say and the steps, and then doing it is actually quite difficult. But yeah, I have to say, super easy. You can grab everything I got for this look off eBay, which is amazing. So I'll pop links below for you guys. Also, you're probably thinking, how the hell do you take these out? So I'm actually going to show you how to take one out, because I thought that's probably what you're all going to be thinking if you're putting them in your hair. So all you literally do is you grab the pliers, and I will get one at the back, and you basically just plier the micro ring the other way. So I don't know if you can see that the micro ring looks quite flat. So if you just grab it on the flat bit and push together, it kind of makes it into a ring again, and you just slide it off. And it's so easy like that. I mean, I pulled out one little strand of my own hair, but yeah, so easy. And micro rings aren't damaging. Obviously your hair comes out naturally anyway, so when you've got the micro ring on, when you do take them out, if you've worn them for quite a while, then you will have a few dead hairs that fall out. Most people that have micro ring hair extensions will know that anyway. But yeah, literally loving this look. I'm gonna see what it's like when I apply a bit of heat to it, just because I'm very intrigued as to whether I would be able to curl my hair or even style it, because I use straighteners every day. So let's give it a go. Right, so I've got my GHD Platinum Plus straighteners. Now, these change temperature according to what your hair type is, and they never go above 180 degrees. So let's see if I just curl a bit of my hair, whether, well, I'm kind of hoping they don't melt. So yeah, we'll see about this. Okay. Alright, I don't think that melted or anything. Let's do another little bit. Hello, you can curl them. That is amazing. I assume it's probably because there's not much heat going on them. These GHDs are really, really good. All of their GHDs never ever go above 180. I think it's 180 or 185. Because that is the highest temperature you can go, kind of, but also protecting your hair at the same time. Yeah, let's try one more. Amazing. Okay, cool. I'm just going to grab a loose strand to try now, just because I want to see whether it's because it's in my, oh, cute, whether it's in my hair that it's not really like touching the straighteners properly, because I've got hair strands within it as well. But I've just managed to do this and it's not melted or anything. So you can use heat on these, which is so good. Amazing. And now I can leave these in my hair for a while. Cute. Well guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Really hope you enjoyed it. This hair would be so fab for a festival, so I'm definitely gonna be whacking some of these in summer. So fab. But yeah, thanks for watching. I pop links below for you guys to shop this look and recreate it. And if you do recreate it, let me know, tag me. I love to see you guys getting inspired by my tutorials. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.